Next section, types of intelligence. There are 9 types of intelligence. First, naturalistic intelligence, nature smart. Second, musical intelligence, musical smart. Third, logical mathematical intelligence, number and reasoning smart. 4, extinctional intelligence. 5, interpersonal intelligence, people smart. 6, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, body smart. 7, linguistic intelligence, word smart. 8, intrapersonal intelligence, self smart. 9, spatial intelligence, picture smart. Look at this picture. Self, word, logic, nature, picture, body, music, people. Explanation going on. First, naturalistic intelligence, nature smart. Designates the human ability to discriminate among lives, things, plants, animals, as well as sensitivity to other features of natural world, including clouds, rock, etc. Second, musical intelligence, musical smart. It is a capacity to determine pitch, rhythm, timbre, and tone. This intelligence enables us to recognize, create, reproduce, and reflect on music as demonstrated by composers, conductors, musicians, sensitive listeners. Three, logical mathematical intelligence, number, reasoning smart. It is the ability to calculate, quantify, consider propositions and hypotheses, and carry out complete mathematical operations. It enables us to use abstract, symbolic thought, sequential reasoning skills, and inductive and deductive thinking patterns. Four, extinctional intelligence, sensitivity and capacity to tackle deep questions about human existence, such as the meaning of life, why do we die, and did we get here. Five, interpersonal intelligence, people smart. It is the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. It involves effective verbal, non-verbal communication, the ability to note distinction among others, sensitivity to the moods, temperaments, and others, the ability to entertain multiple perspectives. Teachers, social workers, actors, and politicians all exhibit interpersonal intelligence. 6. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence, body smart. It is the capacity to manipulate objects and use a variety of physical skills. This intelligence also involves a sense of timing and the perfection of skills through mind-body union. 7. Linguistic intelligence, word smart. It is the ability to think in words and use language to express and appreciate complex meanings. Linguistic intelligence always used to understand the order and meaning of words and to apply meta-linguistic skills. It is the most widely in poets, novelists, journalists, and effective public speakers. 8. Intrapersonal intelligence, self-smart. It is the capacity to understand oneself and one's thought and feelings and to use such knowledge in planning and directing one's life. Intrapersonal intelligence involves not only an appreciation of the self but also the human condition. It is evident in psychologists, spiritual leaders, and philosophers. 9. Spatial intelligence, picture smart. It is the ability to think in 3 dimensions. Core capacities include mental imagery, spatial reasoning, image manipulation, graphic, artistic skills, and an active imagination. Sailors, pilots, painters, and architects also display spatial intelligence. According to E.L. Thorndike classification, there are 3 types. First, concrete intelligence. Second, abstract intelligence. Third, social intelligence. First, concrete intelligence. It is the ability of an individual to comprehend actual situations and to react to them adequately. The concrete intelligence is evident from various activities of daily life. Second, abstract intelligence. It is the ability to respond to words, numbers, and symbols. It is required in the ordinary academic subjects. In the school, good teachers, lawyers, doctors, philosophers have this type of intelligence. Three, social intelligence. It means the ability of an individual to react to social situations of daily life. Adequate adjustment in social situations is the index of social intelligence. Person having this type of intelligence known the art of winning friends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.